Once upon the time, there was a young boy named Maza. Maza was known for his incredible talent in math. While other kids struggled with their multiplication tables, Maza could calculate them in his head faster than a lightning bolt. But Maza was not the type to rest on his laurels. He wanted to be even better.
One sunny afternoon, Maza discovered an exciting new app called Rockstar Math. It was the perfect game for someone like him, filled with fun challenges that tested his multiplication and division skills. The more problems he solved correctly, the more points he earned, and Maza was determined to reach a milestone of 2 million points.
Each day after school, he would rush home, eager to practice. He set up a cozy corner in his room, decorated with posters of his favorite superheroes and filled with his math books. Maza started with simple problems to warm up and then dove into the app. He loved the sound of the app's cheerful jingle every time he answered a question correctly.
At first, Maza aimed for small goals. He celebrated when he hit 100,000 points, then 500,000. With each milestone, he felt more confident in his skills. He learned that practicing just a little bit every day made a huge difference. Maza also began to challenge himself by timing how fast he could answer each problem. Soon, he was solving multiplication problems in under a minute.
But Maza didn't keep his talent a secret. He invited his friends over for math game nights. They played Rockstar Math together, and Maza helped them improve their skills too. They would cheer each other on, and the friendly competition made learning math even more enjoyable. Maza's friends started to see math as a fun adventure rather than a chore.
As Maza climbed closer to his goal, he discovered a few tips that helped him even more. 1. Practice with real-life scenarios. He began to calculate things around him, like figuring out how many slices of pizza each person would get at a party, or how many stickers he needed if he wanted to give each of his friends 3.
2 flashcards for quick recall. Maza made flashcards with multiplication and division facts written on them. He practiced with them during his breaks at school, turning every moment into a mini math session.
3. Stay positive. Whenever he got a problem wrong, he didn't get discouraged. Instead, he viewed it as a chance to learn. Maza would review the mistakes and make sure he understood where he had gone wrong.
Finally, after weeks of dedication, Maza reached his goal of 2 million points. He was now the school's multiplication and division star. His teachers and friends threw a surprise party for him, complete with a giant cake decorated with numbers and math symbols. Maza was beaming with pride as he cut the cake, surrounded by friends who had all improved their math skills thanks to his encouragement.
Maza learned that with hard work, a positive attitude, and a little creativity, he could achieve anything he set his mind to. From that day on, he not only continued to sharpen his math skills, but also inspired others to embrace the joy of learning. And who knew? Maybe one day, Maza would become a math superhero, solving problems that could change the world. And so, Maza's adventure in math continued, filled with challenges, laughter, and endless possibilities.